Alright, so today we're going to talk about the volume of a pyramid. So, we have a picture of a pyramid, and you have to know that the volume is the safe space inside a pyramid. So, the height is from the base to the top of your pyramid, and then your base is going to be a variety of shapes today. This one is like a rectangle. We can't call it a square even though it looks like a square because we don't know the sides lengths yet. So this is the area is a rectangle. So you're going to find the area of the base and know the height is from the base to the very top. Now what's special about the volume of a pyramid is it's 1/3 the product of the area of the base and the height of the pyramid. So where do we get the 1/3 from? If you watch this video, alright, let's take a second to watch it. So what they're going to do is fill up this pyramid with a colored water so you can see it, and then see how they filled it up 1 time, fill up 2 times, and then filled up 3 times, and it fills up the whole entire cube. So that's how we get the 1/3, is because 1/3, one of these 3 pyramids is 1/3 of the volume of the cube. So we have that. You have to multiply the area of the base and the height by that 1/3. And again, the base can be a variety of different shapes. It can be a triangle, it could be a rectangle, it could be a square. It's going to be given to you. So here we have this rectangle. We have a rectangle base. Let me move it up a little bit. So we have a rectangle base. So your first step is to find the area of your base. I'm going to do a different color. So your base, since that's a rectangle base, so your base is going to be 5 times 3, which is 15. Alright, and then once you get that, your volume is 1/3 times your area base, so times 15, times your height, which is 9. So since this height is 9, so you can do 1/3. 1/3 goes into 15, so 5 times. So 1/3 of 15 is 5. 5 times 9 is 45. So again, you can multiply that however way you want to. So inches cubed is your unit of measurement, because you have all those inches right there, and it's length times width times height. So again, if you notice that 1/3 and 9, so you could have done 1/3 of 9 is 3. 3 times 15 is 45 as well. So you got to recognize what base it is. So here, if I just draw this base right here, I know that this length is 18, this width is 18, so this is a square pyramid, square base. So I'm going to find the area of my base first, so that's 18 times 18. So 18 times 18, so that's 324. Okay, so once you have that volume of the pyramid is 1/3 times the area of base, so times 324, times your height, and your height is 25. So 1/3 times 324 is 108. 108 times 25 is 2,700. So 2,700 feet cubed. Again, it's recognizing what base you have. So for number 3, if I recognize what base I have, look at this base. So it's a triangular base. And so the base is 4, the height is 7. So if I find the area of the base, remember it's triangular base. Let's make that B. There. So it's 1/2 times 4 times 7. So that's 2 times 7, which is 14. So my base is 14. And then I remember my volume is 1/3 times my base, 1/3 times 14, times my height, which is 6. Now with this one, 1/3 can't go into 14, so I'm going to do 1/3 into 6. Because I know 1/3 times 6 is 2, so 2 times 14, 28. So that volume is 28 meters cubed. So the pyramid we have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a hexagonal pyramid. We really don't know how to find the area of the base for hexagon, so it's given to you. That capital B means they gave you the base. So they gave you the base of 30 centimeters squared. So the volume of that would still be 1/3 times the volume times the area of the base, which is 30. So 1/3 times 30 times your height, and they gave you 18 centimeters. So the volume is 1/3 times 30 is 10 times 18. So that's 108. Or sorry, 180 centimeters cubed. So you have to, so we have 4 different types of pyramids. The steps are you have to figure out the area of the base. Some area of the bases are given to you if it's a shape that we don't know yet. So if it's a rectangle we know, square we know, triangle we know. So you're going to find the area of the base first, and then find the volume, which is 1/3 area of the base times height. So this is where I suggest you pause it and try these yourself and then come back, but if not, we're going to continue on. So again, so this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so five-sided pyramid, which is a pentagonal pyramid. So they gave you, we don't know how to find the area of the pentagon, so they gave you the base already. The area of the base is 21 feet squared. So we're going to do the volume is 1/3 area of the base, which is 21 times 21 times 6. So the volume is 7 times 6, which is 42. It says 42 feet cubed. Number 2, so we have the volume of right here, this base. It is a rectangle, so it's a rectangle pyramid. So I have to do the base first. So the area of the base would be 10 times 8. So my base would be 80. So I'm going to find my volume of my pyramid right there. So it's 1/3 times 80 times the height, which is 7. 1/3 times 80. So 80 times 1/3 times 7. And we got our first decimal. So it's 186.6 repeated inches cubed. Alright, and then the last one we're going to do, the base is a triangle, so the area of the triangular pyramid, so the area of the base is 1/2 7 times 18. I'm going to do 1/2 18 because that's an even number, so that's 9 times 7, so the base is 63. And then the volume is 1/3 times that 63, and then times the height, and the height is 11. So 1/3 of 63 is 21 times 11, and that is 231. So you have 231 centimeters cubed. So again, the steps are to, let's go back to my page. So the steps are to find the area of the base, no matter if it's a triangle, rectangle, square. If it's a shape that you don't know how to find the area, 9 times out of 10 it's given to you. And then times 1/3 times that answer to the area, then times your height. So So make sure you rewatch this as many times as you want, pause, and try some examples.